When you are adding formulas to a column, you might copy the formula from the first row to the last row. Sometimes the column you want to apply the formula to may cover hundreds of rows and dragging fill handle may not be convenient. Excel provides a couple of quick solutions for this problem. You can double-click the fill handle to copy the formula all the way down to the bottom of the column. Input your formula in the top cell. The fill handle is the little rectangle that sits in the lower right corner of selected cell in Excel. Position the cursor to the fill handle in the cell with the formula. Wait until it turns into black plus sign and then double-click on the plus sign. This will automatically copy the formula to the entire column until it finds an empty row. Excel will stop filling out the column if it sees an empty cell. If your worksheet contains any gaps, you will have to repeat the above process to copy the formula below an empty row. If the selection is not too large, you can also fill formulas down a worksheet using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and D. Select the original formula and the target cells first. Press Ctrl D. When you copy formula like this, Excel copies formulas all the way down even if it encounters empty cells. You can also copy formulas to the right by pressing Ctrl and R. Select the cell with the formula and target cells and then press Ctrl and R. Now press Ctrl R. You can also enter a formula into multiple cells with a single keystroke. In situations when you need to input the same formula in more than one cell on a worksheet, this method can be a time saver. Select all the cells where you want to enter the formula. Input your formula in one cell and then press Ctrl Enter. The formula will get copied to all of the selected cells and Excel will adjust relative cell references accordingly. Using this method, you can also enter formulas into multiple cells which are non-contiguous. Select the cells and input your formula in one cell and then press Ctrl and Enter. You can use the fill command to fill a formula into an adjacent range of cells. Select the cell with the formula and the adjacent cells you want to fill. In the Home tab, in the Editing group, select Fill and choose Right to fill formulas to the right of the formula. Select Fill and choose Left to fill formulas to the left of the formula. Select Fill and choose Down to fill formulas down the column. Select Fill and choose Up to fill formulas up the column. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.